Hey, what's going on, everyone? Kieran Tross here from Cloud Scholars. I want to thank you for continuing watching this Okta series. Hopefully, this is the first video that you are watching. If so, I would urge you to go back to the very beginning so you can see how you can set up your account. But perhaps you are just here looking how to set up users in Okta. So this is exactly the video for you. So I'm going to introduce you to what users are in Okta. And then in the next video, we're going to go ahead and create a user and I will show you how to navigate through the profile settings. All right, so what are users in Okta? So users can be employees, customers, partners, guests, or end users of applications in Okta. The default Okta user profile has 31 user attributes, which can be customized based on a client requirement. All right, so in order to understand users in Okta, we have to get an understanding of the Okta Universal Directory. So what the Okta Universal Directory is, so this is a service that stores all information on your users for your organization. Depending on your organization, the Universal Directory can serve as a single source of truth for your users. So what does that mean by the single source of truth? So that means this is exactly where all your identities originate from. This is where you can say, okay, has the accurate information for my set identity. So what can you do within your Universal Directory? You could customize user profiles. You can do schema discovery and mapping. You could do delegated authentication, so things like Active Directory integration. You also can handle lifecycle management, and then also this is where you would take care of your security and compliance needs. So adding users to Okta. So when a user gets added to Okta, they get their own My Applications page. Usernames must be unique in Okta, otherwise you will receive an error message. So you can't have two users with the same name associated with it, right? You have to make sure it's unique so that this way that Okta can differentiate between those two identities. Okay, so what are the different ways that you could add users to Okta? So we have the manual setup, which I'm going to go through with you all to set it up within the Okta portal. You also have just-in-time provisioning as well. You have directory integration, so things like Active Directory or any other source that you want to use to pull into Okta that user. And then you also have a CSV import like an Excel file. Okay, so now that we understand users, let's go ahead and get in front of the Okta portal. So this way we can go ahead and start adding users, and you can see exactly how easy it is to configure with users in your portal. So that's the end for this video. If you haven't done so already, please smash that like and subscribe button. Here at Cloud Scholars, my goal is to get you from scholar to consultant, and of course, consultant to expert. Thank you, and see you next time.